Welcome to the Freezur Review, where we explore a revolutionary AI video creator promising to turn your ideas into viral short-form content within minutes. In today's crowded digital space, standing out is crucial, and Freezur aims to simplify that process. No need for elaborate editing or technical skills. Simply input your topic and let Freezur's AI handle the rest, from scripting to video production. Created by Cyril Gupta, this tool caters to content creators, marketers, and businesses seeking quick, engaging videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. With core features such as auto script generation, voiceovers, and branding customization, Freezur makes video creation accessible to all. It saves you time and effort, allowing for more consistency in posting. If you're eager to enhance your online presence without the hassle of traditional editing, Freezur might be your solution in 2025. Dive into our review for an honest assessment of its capabilities and whether it's worth your investment. Check the description box for the full written review link. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe.